Good morning, students. So welcome again. I am Professor Dilip Jigyasi from SIRT, the SAGE Group, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you about one of the MOOC module, actually on the engineering graphics. That is one of the most important subject in engineering. So I have prepared one MOOC course on engineering graphics on the topic that is projection of planes. As you know that I have selected this topic projection of planes because from this topic onwards we are going to study in the first angle projection. That will be the that will be applicable in India nowadays. As you know that we can draw projection in first angle or third angle projection, but in India we are following first angle projection. So from plane onwards we are going to study the object in first angle projection. Also one more thing will be plane. Whenever we talk about the geometry, we will talk about the plane figures. So if you remember in the school days, when our teacher will tell about the planes, the first definition that comes for the projection of any plane figure will be a plane figure will be bounded by lines. Sometimes people also say that plane will be a two-dimensional geometrical figure. So if a plane will be bounded by lines, as in the school days, if you remember, our teachers told us to draw different shapes with the help of lines, and that will be a closed figure. So for making a closed figure, initially what we will require minimum 3 lines. So without 3 lines you cannot make a plane, and if the lines are 3, then that figure will be a triangle. In the triangle case also, if I talk about the shapes, you know different types of plane figures. Triangles, that will be, this will be one triangle that is known as right angle triangle because one angle will be 90 degree. This instrument is also known as set square. You know that in our geometry box we are having 2 triangles set squares. One will be a right angle with 30-60 angle, second will be with 45-45 angle. Different type of triangles, you know, I know you remember all those triangles. So the purpose of this topic will be we are going to draw the projections, not just draw the plane, but draw the projection of the planes when the plane will be placed in respect to the our 2 reference plane, that will be this vertical plane and this horizontal plane. So in the triangle also, you know that there are different type of triangles are there. Equilateral triangle, when all the 3 sides are equal, all the angles are same. Another triangle will be you can say isosceles triangle, when the 2 opposite sides are equal and there will be a base and the perpendicular will be known as altitude. If the number of sides will be increased to 4, that will be a quadrilateral, and in quadrilateral one of the simplest will be that this square. A square will be a quadrilateral, all the 4 sides are equal, all the angles are 90. I have one more figure with me, that will be a rhombus. Rhombus will be like a square, again the 4 sides are equal, but this time the diagonals are not equal. Rectangle, we all know this board will be in the shape of a rectangle, so that has a length and the width, and all the angles are again 90 degrees. So number of plane figures, you know, I know you remember those figures. Then when the number of sides are more than 4, that will be a polygon. Number of sides are 5, then we have a pentagon. Number of sides 6, then we have hexagon. So in this topic I am going to draw the projection of all these figures. Then you also know that one more figure, that will be a circle. Normally people will also say that circle will be a polygon with infinite number of sides. And same way I can use the semicircle. So in the MOOC module, what I have done, I have prepared 11 videos for you on the projection of plane, starting from the introduction, the positioning of the plane in the simple position with respect to HP and VP. There are, you know that there are 2 types of planes are there. One will be perpendicular plane, second will be oblique plane. Perpendicular planes are those planes which are perpendicular to one of the reference plane. If I hold it like this, it is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. If I hold it like this, then it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. So this is the simple position of a plane. So we should start with simple position, then later on I am going to make that inclined to one plane, keeping it perpendicular to other, and finally the oblique plane, when the plane will be inclined to both HP and VP. So in those 11 videos I have taken different type of problems from easier to the difficult one. Also I have prepared 11 assignments for you. After each video there will be one assignment. In that assignment maybe 3 or 4 questions are there, mostly 3 questions are there, and some theory part will be also there, so you have to attempt that for the getting the perfection about the projection of planes. And also I have prepared 11 quizzes in the short objective type questions. There are multiple choice questions, so I hope that you will like this MOOC module, and waiting for your feedback also. So if you like this one, then maybe in future I will try for taking some new topic from engineering graphics. So hoping that you will like this MOOC module. Thank you very much.